To change any unit anywhere on your Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix, press and hold the menu button and then go up to the very last option, which is System, and then go down to Units. So from here you will have the option to change unit for the distance, speed and pace, elevation, depth, weight, height, temperature, pressure, vertical speed, and that's it. So basically you enter into the menu, you select what you want, and you select with that start stop button, and yeah, you're gonna have meters, feet, kilometers per hour or miles, and about weight you're gonna have pounds and kilograms. Sorry British, there is no stones. And yeah, centimeters, feet. You're gonna find all of this into that menu. When you're done, you can press the back button until you reach the main page. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.